In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Shopify store with Lovable. We'll move from a blank canvas to a shareable project using Lovable's dashboard, the Ask Lovable assistant, your own code, and a clean publish. I'll walk slowly, explain why each step matters, and share a few practical tips to keep everything smooth. First, open the Lovable dashboard. This is your home base where you can see projects, manage drafts, and access tools. If this is your first time here, take a second to orient yourself. The dashboard is designed to keep your work visible and your actions just a click away so you can focus on building rather than hunting for menus. Next, look for the Ask Lovable option on the dashboard and click it. Think of Ask Lovable as your code developer. This is where you'll direct the assistant, provide context, and shape what gets created. The better your prompt and inputs, the better the result. Be clear about the Shopify outcome you want, whether it's a theme scaffold, a homepage layout, product templates, or styling that matches a brand, so the assistant can aim in the right direction. Now, type in your code. Paste the liquid templates, sections, snippets, style sheets, JavaScript, or any starter files you've prepared. If you're adapting an existing theme, include only what you want Lovable to improve or assemble. Add a brief explanation at the top of your input as comments or a short note. Mention the store's purpose, desired pages, miles, and any design tone. This small bit of context helps the assistant reason about structure and naming, which pays off in cleaner files and fewer revisions. Once Lovable generates or refactors your project, make your edits and click Publish. Before you publish, review the file tree and open key templates to confirm the structure matches your intent. Scan for obvious issues, missing assets, broken references, or inconsistent section settings. If the assistant suggested improvements, accept the ones that align with your goals and adjust the rest. Keep changes cohesive. Aim for consistent naming, sensible schema settings, and clear comments so future tweaks stay easy. When you're happy with the result, publish. Publishing saves the authoritative version of your project in Lovable and makes it easy to share or return to later. Take a final breath, confirm everything reads clearly, and push it live inside Lovable. That's it. Dashboard, Ask Lovable, your code, thoughtful edits, and publish. You now have a Shopify store project shaped by AI and guided by your intent, ready for your next steps.